Primark homeware haul today. There's buttons on the remote where you can like time how long it stays on. Oh, this is good. Today's video we are doing a Primark haul, right? This is also Primark. I absolutely love this little bag. I will wear the most simplest outfit, a long shirt with leggings, and this bag just makes my outfit just look put together. But I have a Primark homeware haul today because later on in this video, the stuff that I brought, I'm going to be using it to decorate my hallway. I only picked up 2 things in Primark to decorate my hallway. The other things I bought for the hallway from Matalan. I bought some hooks from eBay. The first thing I got was this. You've probably seen this. It's £10. I got this plant basket. I remember like editing my video. I was like, that dangling plant basket thing is so nice. I'm using this to decorate the hallway. So I picked up these drawer knobs. Yeah, they're doorknobs. Yeah, they're doorknobs. But I'm not gonna use them as doorknobs. I think, to be honest, this is too small for like doorknobs. Oh, hello. Yeah, and I only got 2 of them. I know you're thinking, why 2? Yeah, I need 2, and then the other 2 I want it a different style. And then the idea is that all the other hooks will be like this. I was gonna spray paint it gold, but now I'm thinking I should just leave it white, because these are, well, they're not totally white. We'll see. We'll see. So it is Thursday today, and I finished decorating the hallway, but I feel like it's lacking something. So we're gonna go into Homesense, see what's new, what's cute. There's always something cute in Homesense. Got something in mind that I feel like I can get in Homesense. So yeah, let's just go Homesense. So this is what I ended up getting in Homesense. I went looking for a faux plant. Also, there was something else I wanted to get, which was like a hanging basket. The lifts were broken in Homesense, so I couldn't go upstairs because obviously I've got the buggy. So that will probably have to be in another time. So yeah, I'm just gonna add the finishing touches to the hallway with this plant thing. everything is. So to quickly explain where everything is from, the gold picture frames, this one and this one, they're from Matalan. I got them in a sale. Obviously I said that one's Primark. I think you can still get this in Primark actually by the time this video's out. It's been in Primark for a few months now. Obviously, you know, this is from Homesense. These gold hooks are from eBay, and these ones I believe I got, yeah, these ones, the 2 hook ones, are from Flying Copenhagen Tiger. They were yellow and they used to be in the boys' room, and because the boys' room theme in there is like yellow and dark blue. So yeah, they used to be in the boys' room, and I just saw them hanging around, and I was like, let me just like, yeah, I removed them and replaced them with something else, and I saw that these were just hanging around in the toolbox. They were just lying there not being used, so I thought, let me just spray paint these to go great. After like spray painting it, now I really think I should have just got these hooks on all of this. I don't think it's something in the near future I will like change quickly. I feel like it's something just, it looks nice. It still looks nice. The reason why I updated them to the ones that I got before, so this coat rack thing I got, again, was from Homesense a few years ago. I got it for £3. It's just the hooks that were on it were round, but you couldn't like actually hang a coat. And then yeah, and like it just didn't make sense to have them. I've got this towel turban on. Great idea to just have it in my head, just remind me to wash my hair today. Now I wanted to share an update on my upstairs hallway decor. In the hallway upstairs I have this Paris Eiffel Tower glittery canvas wall art that I got from B&M a few years ago, and like, because it's quite glittery, where I've positioned it in the hallway, I feel like the glitter doesn't come across a lot. So I had this idea, like, let me find a lamp that can shine upon it and like, you know, bring the glitter that they put on the Eiffel Tower out more. So I went on Amazon. It's a wireless magnetic wall light. Yeah, it's a wireless magnetic wall light, and like, it looks like this. I got a black one because the theme in there, the wall art in there is black, so I got this black one. But yeah, it changes. Yeah, you can see it changes light, but I don't need all those colorful ones. I just need the, yeah, this one, or no, not that one, this one or that one. Yeah, those are the only 2 that I want. It switches off by itself after a while, and then you can turn it on if you want to, which is quite good because that means you save like the it's battery powered. When I say it's battery powered, I mean it's like you can recharge it, which is great. It comes with a remote. There's buttons on the remote where you can like time how long it stays on. Oh, this is good. So fantastic. I didn't know that. I literally didn't know that you can, like, on the remote, you can literally, it says that 1 hour, 3 hours, 6 hours, maximum is 6 hours. And then opposite the Paris wall art, I have my New York light up canvas wall art. I got that from the range for, I believe I remember it was £8.52 or something like that, or 53. Yeah, it was under £10. It's big, you guys, because it lights up. You need to like put batteries in it. I keep getting the cheap pound ones and it doesn't last really long, so I thought, let me try the Duracell one, because I've never tried Duracell on it, and see how long it lasts. So yeah, my hallway upstairs is like, the theme is like, the wall art is black and white, but like the wall art just lights up. Let me show you how everything looks.